Nobody.
There was a magical elf who lived in a rainbow tree.
Elliot, you've got to hide.
He lived downstairs.
The hunters are here.
Who was constantly having to pee.
Oh, he's gonna give us away.
Baby elf could take.
All right, bring it, bring it.
Boog?
Hey, buddy.
What are you doing back here?
Come on, I couldn't go home without my partner.
I don't have a partner.
Elliot.
I don't need the herd, and I don't need you. So leave me alone.
Ain't gonna be able to do it. You see, I already saved you once. That makes me responsible for you.
Huh?
That's all that. Come on, let me hear you say it. Partner.
No.
What was that?
I guess we can be partners.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I said I guess we can be partners.
Partners.
Okie dokie, this way. Ooh.
This way.
Right. Maybe you better lead.
Yeah. Let's get back to the garage where it's safe.
Safe?
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 Huh?
Hey, Boog.
How many animals can fit in the garage?
How many?
Whoa! Hello, Boog.
So, where you all headed?
To the safe place.
This land of garage.
With Buddy.
Come on, you owe us, Tiny.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I'm sorry about the dam and how I messed y'all up, you know? My bad.
So, you're taking us with you, right, Booger? Please? Please. Look at me. I'm too pretty to die.
Well, maybe. No!
Well, I need it without us.
Why
I
not?
didn't mean to call you Booger.
Hey, buddy, can we take Giselle?
Look, wait! Let me think, huh? Hunters.
Uh-oh.
Dang. Nobody's going home tonight.
There's so many of them.
That's it then.
No more me.
I guess I will be mounted on a wall.
Oh, no, you won't. Now, when I'm a bearskin rug, they could walk all over me. But until that happens, I ain't going out without a fight.
Grizzly, F-word?
That's right. If there's one thing y'all have taught me, the woods is a messed up, dangerous place. And y'all are crazy. You've been kicking my butt for the last 2 days.
Yeah, kinda.
I didn't. Sorry.
So let's do to them what you've been doing to me. Now I say we give our guests the full outdoor experience.
Hey!
Ouch!
Is this a private fight or can anybody join? Because McSquizzy wants in.
Good, because we'll need your nuts.
And your acorns, too.
What's the plan, Boog?
Oh, we gonna run those yahoos back to town. Yeah, baby. When we get through with them, they won't ever come back.